Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Toyota Prius spark plugs, only way. Begin by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical issues. Remove the engine cover and clear any debris around the ignition coils. Work on one cylinder at a time to avoid mix-ups and keep parts organized. Use the correct spark plug gap and torque to factory specs for reliable performance. Start by labeling each ignition connector and unplugging them carefully to preserve order. Remove the 10 mm coil bolts and gently extract the ignition coils to reveal the spark plugs beneath. Use a deep 5/8-inch spark plug socket with a magnetic extension to loosen and remove each old plug without dropping debris into the cylinder. Clean the well, inspect the plugs for wear patterns, and prepare to install the new replacements. Verify the spark plug gap and adjust if needed before installation, then thread each new plug in by hand to prevent cross-threading. Use a torque wrench and tighten plugs to the specified torque value, ensuring a proper seal and reliable firing. Reinstall ignition coils and secure bolts, then reconnect each labeled connector until it clicks. Reattach the engine cover, reconnect the negative battery terminal, and start the engine to confirm smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.